Respected Kim Jong-un, first Secretary of the Workers' Party of Korea, first Chairman of the National Defense Commission of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, and Supreme Commander of the Korean People's Army, gave an order to conduct tests for assessment of the heat security and degree of erosion of the covering agent for heat preservation of the tip of ballistic missile warhead, designed and manufactured with our strength and technology, came out to the sport and guided a mock test of the environment of the re-entry of the tip of ballistic rocket warhead into the atmosphere. He was accompanied by senior officials of the party and army. The test was conducted in the way of confirming the security of the thermodynamic structure of the developed heat protectives by measuring the erosion depth and inner temperature of the tip in the high pressure caused by the aerodynamic heating and in the environment of heat flow during the re-entry of the ballistic rocket. The result of the test satisfied all technical indices. The test confirmed the security of the thermodynamic structure of the tip in the condition of pressure similar to the actual environment, which is created during the re-entry of the ballistic rocket, and in the flow of heat of nearly 5 times that of the actual environment, making it possible to firmly guarantee the reliability of re-entry of the warhead of the intercontinental ballistic rocket. Kim Jong-un expressed great satisfaction over the result of the test and highly praised the dependable national defense scientists and technicians and munitions workers for making a great progress in the rocket industry and nuclear technology this year when the 7th Congress of the Workers' Party of Korea is to be held, in hearty response to the party's revolutionary line on simultaneous building of the economy and the nuclear force. He said with great pleasure, "We have fully secured with the strength of self-reliance and self-development the technology of re-entry possessed only by a few countries professing themselves to be military powers. As a result, a great progress has been made in the ballistic rocket technology, and it has become possible to strengthen the defense capabilities of the country and the independence of the munitions industry, and remarkably increase the invincible military force of the powerful Revolutionary Army of Mount Baekdu. The height of our scientifically and technologically irrefutable cutting-edge striking means is precisely that of our national power and that of the dignity of our fatherland. The munitions industry sector should rapidly develop the national defense science and technology and put the national defense industry on a higher Juche-oriented, modern and scientific basis, and thus develop and produce more various military striking means of the Korean style and Juche shells on the highest level to implement the military strategic and tactical idea of the Party Central Committee, he stressed. Kim Jong-un said nuclear warhead exploding test and test firing of nuclear-capable ballistic rockets of different kinds will be done at an early date, so as to further increase the reliability of the nuclear offensive capabilities, and instructed that the sector concerned make perfect preparations in advance for it.